Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this channel you watch beautiful outfits and summer dresses that are trendy and latest in every year. These trendy outfits ideas are constantly evolving with new fashion aesthetic, creating stylish combinations and modal layouts that make everyday looks feel stylish and fresh. Today's fashion trends combine comfort with confidence, creating outfits that look effortless while still feel fashionable and eye-catching. Oversized fashion continues to dominate modern outfit trends because it creates a relaxed, sheer, stylish appearance. Oversized blazers pair with crop tops, loose shirts styled with fitted jeans, and baggy hoodies matched with miniskirts create balanced silhouettes that feels trendy and comfortable at the same time. Neutral shades like black, beige, white, grey, and mocha remain timeless favorite because they make outfits look chic and elegant. Cargo pants and wide-leg jeans are also becoming essential pieces in trendy fashion. Styling these relaxed fit bottoms pair beautifully with fitted tops, crochet top, and baby tees. Sneakers, shoulder bags, layer necklace, and sunglasses complete the modern style aesthetic perfectly. Monochrome outfits remain one of the strongest fashion trends because they always look polished and expensive. Wearing one color palette from head to toe create a clean and fashionable appearance that works for casual, formal, and street style fashion inspiration. Black outfits especially continue to feel bold, confident, and timeless. These outfit ideas are all about mixing comfort, confidence, and stylish details that make everyday fashion feel fresh and exciting. Modern fashion travels are becoming more creative than ever. Combinations of aesthetics, relaxed silhouettes, bold accessories, and unique layering styles that instantly make outfits look fashionable without feeling overdone. One of the most loved outfit combination right now is the oversized top with fitted bottoms, loose crafted tees, crochet tops, button-up shirts, and oversized sweaters paired with fitted jeans, mini skirts, or baggy shorts create a balanced and effortless trendy appearance. This outfit is casual, comfortable, and perfect for everyday fashion inspiration. Matching corsets are also dominating trendy fashion because they create a polished looks with very little effort. Crochet skirts and top sets, ripped long sets, while leg bands with crop tops and pastel two-pieces outfits all create style aesthetics that look modern. Miniskirts continue to one of the most cute fashion staples because they can be styled in so many different ways. Some of its ideas include wearing denim miniskirts with oversized sweaters, fitted tanks, crochet blouses, or off-shoulder tops. Knee-high boots, sneakers, or chunky sandals complete the trendy aesthetic beautifully. Baggy jeans and cargo pants are another huge trends because they combine comfort with style fashion. Pairing with leg jeans with fitted crop tops, soft girl fashion remains extremely popular because of its dreamy and feminine aesthetic. Basic cardigans, pleated skirts, delicate accessories, floral tops, and lightweight fabrics create sweet and elegant of inspiration. Shades like pink, lavender, sky blue, peach, and sage green are often used to create soft and calming fashion looks. For summer fashion, lightweight dresses continue to dominate trendy outfit inspiration. Crush dresses, flowy mixed dresses, bodycon dresses, and floral mini dresses all creates effortless summer aesthetics. Open back details, halter necklines, puff sleeves, and layered texture add stylish touches that make simple outfits look more eye-catching. Street style inspiration outfits are becoming more fashionable as well. Oversized hoodie with shorts, cargo pants with crop tops, Sneakers with oversized blazer and layer monochrome outfits all create confident and trendy fashion statements. Black and white combinations especially remain timeless because they look sleek and modern. Crochet fashion is also becoming a major part of trendy office styling. Tops pair with wide-leg pants, cardigan over dresses, and handmade accessories add texture and creativity to modern outfits. Layering is another key element in trendy outfit ideas. Lightweight jackets, oversized shirts, crop cardigans, mesh layers, and sleeveless vests all help create dimension and personality in an outfit. Even simple clothing piece can look fashionable when layered creativity. Athleisure fashion continues to grow because people love stylish outfits that still feel comfortable. Matching workout sets, oversized zip-up hoodies, biker shorts, tennis skirts, and sneakers create sportly shirt trendy everyday look. Neutral tones and monochrome styling makes athleisure outfits look especially modern and expensive. The beauty of trendy outfits is that they can be simple or bold depending on the styling. Some people love soft feminine looks with dresses and pastel colors, while others prefer edgy stage style outfits with oversized layer and chunky accessories. Fashion today is all about creativity, individuality, and confidence. For tops and wall-leg jeans to miniskirts, oversized blazers, soft pastel dresses, streetwear inspired outfits and monochrome fashion combinations cute trendy outfits. Ideas continue to evolve in stylish and exciting ways. If you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like, share and do comments. Watch whole video till the end. Every outfit becomes a way to express personality, creativity and modern fashion inspiration while still feeling comfortable and wearable every day. This cute trendy fashion is also heavily inspired by social media aesthetics right now. Clean gun fashion, old money style, boho aesthetics, minimalist fashion, and coastal inspired outfits are all influencing modern style ideas. Every aesthetic brings different texture colors and outfit combinations that allow people to experiment with their personal style. This creates a polished appearance that feels effortlessly stylish, very similar shades together. So please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.